How's it going? It's Daniel here. In this video, we're going to show you how you can actually add a favicon to your ClickFunnels landing page. If you want to do your personal branding or just want to type branding in general, and you don't want to use the ClickFunnels, the default icon here, the favicon, you can change that up so it looks like more authentic to you, authentic to your brand. So if you're wondering how to do it, and if you're a ClickFunnels user, and obviously you're going to go to your wherever you created your landing page, you're just going to go up to settings here, and once you're on this page, you're just going to go to here, the favicon URL. So you're going to put the URL of where the image is actually stored. So for the best way I found is to actually just upload it to the ClickFunnels digital assets. So you have it in your back office, which is the accounts area. So you're going to go to your account settings, go down to digital assets, and you're just going to add a new asset. As you can see, I have a couple here just for my own branding, but then to show you here, you're going to go to new asset. So we're going to have a new asset, choose a file. So if we go to whatever and just pick in the image, so we go wallpapers. So if you just wanted that particular image, this one, and choose the file, you add the file. I'll add a name, say branded Daniel, add that one, and once it's added, you go to the right hand side here and click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you copy the asset path, you copy here, and you go back to that page where it says the favicon URL. You just right click, or you can just copy and paste, or copy V, or command V. I'm not too sure what it is on a PC. I'm on a Mac. Command V, and you copy that in, go down, save your and update your settings, and then you go. So within this icon should change. Sometimes it takes like 30 minutes, sometimes it takes up to an hour to 2 hours. It really depends, but after a while, after that time frame, you can refresh the screen. Obviously it hasn't taken place yet. So once you actually, like I said, it might take up to half an hour to an hour for it to take place, to propagate, and then you'll see it in the icon here. So hopefully that helps if you're looking to add a favicon, your own branding. There will be other videos. I'm going to have some other tutorials on ClickFunnels down below if you want to check it out. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.